Hi! I can't wait for Alexia and baby Annabella to come home from the store. Here they are now. Hi, Chloe. We're back. Wow, what did you get from the store? Chloe, I can't wait to show you, but first let's put the baby down. There you go, Annabella. You sit right there. Let's take off your hat now that we're home. You won't need that anymore. Okay, let me show you what we got. This is a complete kitchen set, and we're gonna look through all of this in just a little bit. I'm gonna put this to the side for right now. And here is the vacuum. Let's open it up and see what we have. Here is the vacuum, and there's a handle, and here is a nozzle for the dust buster. Okay, we're gonna vacuum first. We just need to put the handle into the vacuum. We just push it right into this slot. There it goes. We're ready to vacuum, but first let's move this out of the way and we'll put it to the side for now. Now it's time to vacuum. And just go slowly back and forth. Now we can remove this part, and it's now a dust buster. We put this on the end. Wow, that worked really well. Everything's all clean. What do we get to do next? Can we open up the kitchen set now? Chloe, we're all done with the dust buster. I'm just gonna put it away. And now we can set up the kitchen set. Let's see what's inside. Okay, we have a tray and a drying rack for the dishes. We have 4 plates. One, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, and some silverware. Everybody gets a fork. Everybody gets a spoon. And a knife. There's a pot and a pan and a water pitcher and a slotted spoon and a spatula. Wow, all this stuff is really nice. What are we gonna do with it? We're gonna cook a meal and clean up. Check that out in our next video. Like our video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye.